Let me tell you what nobody in personal finance will admit out loud. Most saving advice on the internet was written by people who were never actually broke. They tell you to cut your morning coffee. They tell you to meal prep on Sundays.
They tell you to open a high-yield savings account.
And they say it all from a position of someone who already had money to work with. That is not this video. This is what I would actually do, practically, ruthlessly, and specifically to save my first $1,000 starting from a bank account with zero in it. No side hustle required, no second job. No selling your belongings online. Just a dead simple system that works on any income level, and most importantly, one that nobody else on this platform is talking about. If you are tired of saving advice that sounds good but never actually works in real life, the next 10 minutes were made specifically for you. Stay with me. Here is the brutal truth that saving advice always skips over. The reason most people cannot save money has nothing to do with discipline, nothing to do with willpower, and nothing to do with how much they earn. It is because they are trying to save what is left over after spending. They earn money. They pay bills, they buy groceries. They fill the car, they grab a few things online. And then at the end of the month, they look at what is left and try to save that. But here is the problem. There is never anything left. Because spending always expands to fill whatever money is available. It is not a character flaw. It is human nature. And every single saving system built on the idea of saving the leftovers will fail every single time. The entire foundation of how most people think about saving is completely backwards. Wealthy people do not save what is left after spending. They spend what is left after saving. That one reversal, that single flip in sequence, is the entire secret to saving your first $1,000. And every dollar after it. The system I am about to show you is built entirely around this reversal. And it works even if your income is small, irregular, or barely covers your bills right now. I call this the reverse gravity system, and here is exactly how it works. The moment any money hits your account, before you pay a single bill, before you buy a single thing, you immediately move a fixed amount into a completely separate savings account that you do not have a debit card for. Not after bills, not after groceries. First, before anything else touches that money. I am not talking about a large amount. I am talking about whatever number feels almost too small to matter. For some people, that is $50. For others, it is $20. For someone just starting out, it might even be $10. The amount does not matter. The sequence does. Because here's what actually happens inside your brain when you save first. When you save what is left, you are always making a sacrifice. You are always giving something up. It feels like punishment, and your brain resists it every single time.
But when you save first, your brain immediately recalibrates your spending to whatever is left.
It does not feel like sacrifice. It feels like your normal budget. Because it becomes your normal budget. This is not motivational talk. This is how your brain's spending threshold actually works, and using it deliberately is the difference between people who build savings and people who try to. Now, let me show you the exact math on how this saves your first $1,000 faster than you think. Let me show you exactly how real people on real incomes actually hit $1,000 using this system. Scenario 1. You earn $1,500 a month after tax. You save $50 the moment your paycheck hits. That is 3% of your income. You will not feel that $50 missing, but in 20 months, you have $1,000. Save $75 first, and you hit $1,000 in just over 13 months. Scenario 2. You earn $2,000 a month. You save $100 first, 5% of income. 10 months to $1,000, less than a year. Scenario 3, and this is the one most people overlook. You earn an irregular income. Freelance, gig work, cash in hand. You save 10% of every single payment the moment it arrives. No fixed amount, just 10% of whatever comes in. This method actually works faster on irregular income than fixed income because larger payments produce larger automatic savings without any extra decision-making. But here is where the real acceleration happens. Every single one of those scenarios gets dramatically faster when you combine the Save First system with what I call the leak audit. And this is the part of saving that nobody talks about correctly. A leak audit is not a budget. I want to be very clear about that. Budgets fail because they require you to plan every future expense perfectly. And life is never that predictable. A leak audit is different. Instead of planning forward, you look backward. You take the last 30 days of bank and card transactions and you look for money that left your account that you received zero value from. Not money you spent on things you enjoyed, not money on food or bills or things that matter. Money that left silently, that you did not consciously choose to spend and would not consciously choose again if you thought about it. Here's what most people find when they do this honestly for the first time. Subscription 1. A streaming service you share with someone else but pay for yourself. $12 a month. Subscription 2. A fitness app you downloaded in January and used 3 times. $9 a month. Subscription 3. A premium version of something you use the free version of anyway. $7 a month. Random transaction, an in-app purchase you made at midnight that you barely remember. $15. That is $43 in 1 month of completely invisible spending. $516 over a year, gone silently without a single moment of enjoyment in return. Now combine that $43 recovered from the leak audit with your $50 Save First amount. You are now saving $93 a month without earning a single extra dollar and without sacrificing anything you actually value. $1,000 in less than 11 months, starting from zero. That is the complete system. 2 moves. Save first. Find the leaks. That is genuinely all it takes. Now I need to tell you the one rule that makes or breaks this entire system. Your savings account must be inconvenient to access. This sounds simple, but it is the most violated rule in personal saving.
People save money into the same account they spend from, or into an account with instant transfer access on their banking app.
And then the moment an impulse hits, and it will, that money disappears in 30 seconds. Inconvenience is your greatest financial protection. Open a completely separate savings account at a different bank from your main account. No debit card attached. Transfers that take 2 to 3 business days to process.
That delay alone, that 2-day gap between impulse and access, eliminates the majority of the emotional spending decisions that destroy savings progress.
Out of sight, out of app, out of reach. Some of the best options for this are online-only banks like Marcus, Ally, or a simple credit union account with no instant transfer feature. Most of them are free to open, and many now offer small interest rates that make your money grow slightly while it sits there. That one structural decision protects every dollar you save from the version of yourself that makes financial decisions at midnight. Here is everything condensed into 3 sentences. Stop saving what is left. Start saving what comes first. Then find the money that is already leaving without giving you anything back. That is the complete system. No side hustle. No extreme sacrifice. No complicated spreadsheet. Just a sequence change and an honest 30-minute look at last month's spending. Your first $1,000 is not a money problem. It was always a sequence problem. And now you know exactly how to fix it. One last thing before you go. The people who watch this video and take action this week will be in a completely different financial position by this time next year than the people who watch it and think about starting later. Later always becomes never. The smallest possible action counts. Even moving $10 today is a different version of you than yesterday.
Subscribe to $0 Wealth because next week I am breaking down exactly what to do with that first $1,000 once you have it, because saving it is only the beginning.
This is $0 Wealth. Every empire started at zero. And yours